doesn't love the idea of making money while sitting back and relaxing? So let's dive right in. Today, we are going to discuss the 8 safest passive incomes.
We will also explore the 5 passive investment incomes with varying levels of risk to 3 guaranteed passive incomes with no investment risk.
No risks? Come on, what's the catch?
Well, to find out, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video.
In this video, we will discuss the advantages, disadvantages, and risk levels of each.
So, why is passive income so powerful?
First, it offers financial security and stability. Multiple income streams can provide a safety net during uncertain times. Second, it grants you more freedom and flexibility in your lifestyle choices.
Yes, think about all the things you want to do in retirement. Travel the world, spend more time with your loved ones. Passive income can make it a reality.
And lastly, it allows you to build wealth over time as your money works for you and continues to grow. Number 1, real estate investment. This is one of my favorites.
She loves her Zillow.
I do. One of the most traditional and reliable forms of passive income is real estate investment. Whether you choose residential or commercial properties, owning and renting them out can generate a steady stream of income. You can even hire property management companies to handle the day-to-day operations for you.
Yeah, we bought our investment property at 20 years old and immediately turned it into an income stream, and we still have it today. However, with properties we own, there's still research and management involved. Real estate requires upfront capital and involves ongoing maintenance. But with the right approach, it can be a fantastic passive income stream.
Number 2, another fantastic way to earn passive income is through dividend stocks. Now, these are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders. By investing in solid dividend-paying companies, you can receive regular cash payments without selling your shares.
Now, dividend stocks can provide a reliable income stream, and many reliable companies increase their dividends over time. However, it's important to do your thorough research on the companies you're considering looking at because you need to check the track record and their financial health. Diversification is also the key to mitigating risk and ensuring a stable income flow.
Number 3, as you know, we live in a digital age. This has opened up incredible opportunities for passive income through online businesses and affiliate marketing. And with the rise of e-commerce and social media, even seniors like my dad can create their own websites or online store.
Yeah, her dad invented something in his 70s and has been collecting passive income on Amazon for a while now. So yes, whether it's selling digital products, drop shipping, YouTube or social media, or promoting affiliate products, the online world offers endless possibilities. By building a solid online presence and attracting an audience, you can earn passive income through sales and commissions. However, the disadvantage is the ongoing pressure to be relevant, consistent, and providing value to your customers since there's so much competition out there.
If you're finding value in this video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll be notified whenever we release new videos packed with financial tips and strategies. And as a thank you, here's a picture of Gracie flossing her teeth.
What dog goes from eating lemongrass to flossing her teeth? I think she's part human.
Just Gracie. Okay, number 4, let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. This modern approach allows individuals to lend money directly to others without need for traditional financial institutions. There are platforms that can connect borrowers and lenders, creating a win-win situation.
And as a lender, you can earn interest on the money you lend, provide a passive income stream. However, it's important to evaluate the risks involved, such as default rates and platform credibility. Diversifying your investments across multiple loans can help mitigate these risks as well.
Number 5 is buying and selling stocks. The reason we put this on the bottom of passive income is because it's not passive and it may or may not provide a stable income stream.
Consider this. When you make profit from your stocks, it's only on paper until you sell them, right? If you decide to live off of your investments while they're increasing, you're only locking in the gains for the shares that you sell. However, if the market goes down, you will lose all of your paper gains and you're depleting your balance at a faster rate.
Yeah, you might even stop your income since you feel the need to let the market recover. That's why we don't really consider this to be passive income, but we are putting this on the list since that's what many of you are familiar with.
Right. Now, what about passive incomes that are completely free from market risks? On the right side, you should have written down 3 passive incomes with no market risks.
First, write down these are not investments. Why? According to FINRA, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, here's how they define investments. A key difference between an investment account and a bank account is that the value of assets in an investment account fluctuates and can, in fact, decline.
Right. So how are these passive incomes categorized then?
Well, I'm going to list them out and you can tell us if you can guess. 1 is Social Security. 2 is pension, either through an employer or self-funded pension. 3 is a hybrid pension.
Did you guess it? Here's a hint. Your Social Security is funded through a program, and it's called FICA. What is FICA? It stands for the Federal Insurance Contribution Act.
Did you get the answer yet? Yes. This side of passive income are all insurance policies. The same is true with a traditional pension or hybrid pension.
Now, why are Social Security, pensions, and pension hybrids considered insurance policies rather than investments? One key word, guaranteed. Regarding any investments on the left side, I'm sure you've noticed on the bottom disclosure of all your investment statements, it says not guaranteed.
In order to guarantee your income with no market risk, it has to be with an insurance company. The word insurance is derived from the French word insure. In today's English, it's spelled insurer or insurance company.
That's right. Yes, those are the only entities on the planet that can guarantee your income for life. That's why everyone's Social Security income, pensions, and hybrid pensions are also through insurance companies. Now, what are pension hybrids or hybrid pensions? We'll show you a video in a bit to learn more.
While these are guaranteed passive incomes for life, you must do your initial research and make sure you get the best advice and strategies.
Good point, Ann. So let's now talk about guaranteed passive income number 1, your Social Security. If you're a couple, it's almost always better or advantageous to have the breadwinner delay their Social Security to age 70 while the younger starts collecting. Why? Usually one spouse will outlive the other, right? She's gonna outlive me, no problem. Well, when that happens, the higher of the 2 Social Security will remain while the lesser of the 2 stops. Well, this allows the surviving spouse to keep the highest passive guaranteed Social Security income possible.
Now, we say most of the time because you need to also consider your health, genetics, and other sources of income. Remember, all passive income streams involve initial research. If you elect wrong, you will not be able to change your mind.
Right. That's why, again, we say do your research. Okay, so the number 2 safest passive income is something that most of you don't have and didn't know you can do, a pension. Now, most of you know pensions are becoming a thing of the past. However, anyone, yes, anyone that has some savings, a 401k or an IRA can create their own self-funded pension.
Why are pensions becoming a dinosaur? Because pensions are always funded through an insurance division to give you guaranteed income in writing. It's too costly to create a human resource in an insurance division to support a pension.
Here's the main problem though. When the 401ks were created in the 1980s, your responsibility was to go find an insurance company that would supply you with guaranteed income or a pension. So what happened? One word, greed. The greed of Wall Street and the greed of financial advisors.
Did you know these self-funded pensions have been around in the US since 1790?
That's over 200 years ago. Now, how about hybrid pensions? Did you know hybrid pensions have been around for almost 30 years? Imagine how stupid you would look if you were on a car lot and someone said to you, would you like to look at our hybrid cars? And then you ask, what's a hybrid?
This is why we're making these videos, folks. I almost guarantee that most, if not all of you watching, have no idea about these passive incomes that are guaranteed and for life. Now, write this one last fact down. Would I rather retire living on assets or living on income? What do we mean?
Simple. While you're working, you're living on income, obviously. Now, think of this fact. Would you dare consider a job where your income was solely dependent on an asset, on an investment? Would you allow your customers to pay you based on their investment portfolio? Of course not.
Your parents or grandparents lived on income. They didn't work until 67 or 70 or 73. They retired in their 50s or mid 60s, the latest. Why? Their pension provided them with that guaranteed salary they lost through work.
Right. They didn't retire checking the stocks every day, or every golf conversation, or every morning coffee with their friends discussing which stocks have been doing great and which ones they regret buying, like Bitcoin.
Why then should we even consider living on our investment assets to support the lifestyle that we created while we were working? The only reason most are living on their assets like 401k or IRA is because we've been told only about investment passive income streams, not about the guaranteed passive income streams.
And this has caused so many retirees to live this what if retirement that past generations never worried about. This what if fear has caused many retirees to not touch their money, to not touch their money, to not touch their money. In fear of what if the market crashes? What if the interest rates come down? What if, again, Bitcoin crashes even more? What if we need to repair the rental property or have no tenants?
So instead of retirees today living their dreams of joining that country club or going on that vacation of their dreams, they save and save and save. And then what? Their heirs or beneficiaries become rich and join that country club and go on the vacation of their dreams, or of your dreams.
Now, you might be laughing, but this is happening right now all over the country.
And this has been the case since 401ks were created in the 1980s. Why? Again, it's greed.
This reminds me of the movie Tom Cruise and Jerry Maguire. Show me the money!
What are you on? Now, all financial or insurance retirement advisors, including us, get paid through the insurance companies, never through you. And there you have it. Some of the safest passive income streams available. However, to be clear, there are only 3 passive incomes that are guaranteed with no market risks: your Social Security, pensions, and hybrid pensions.
As you can see, investing can be complicated. However, it still boils down to 2 sides: passive investment income with some risks, research, or management involved, or guaranteed income with no work, no management, and no ongoing research or market risks.
And it's the only income that is recession-proof. How about you? What's your go-to investment for passive income? And were you aware of all the options mentioned in this video? Please share your ideas in the comments below.
Friends, please do not solely rely on your bank or financial advisor to sell you these types of passive guaranteed incomes. Don't get us wrong, keep your financial advisor for investment strategies, since we don't specialize in anything that involves market risks. Now, we're not against that, and again, we ourselves hold most of these passive incomes that we discussed earlier. But our area of expertise for you lies in guaranteed passive income opportunities.
Yes, we don't pretend to do it all, and no one really should. Regardless on what PhD or master's degree one has in finance, it's impossible to be a specialist on both sides and have all the right tools. That's like saying I'm a brain and a knee surgeon.
Or it's like saying I'm a software engineer and a hardware engineer. There's really no industry as complex or troubled as this financial industry, where people claim they can offer various investment opportunities. We will always be transparent about our true abilities and intentions and never pretend to be who we're not. Now, as promised, we created a playlist here for you to learn what is a hybrid pension and how they work. We also discuss the pros and cons of these hybrid pensions.
Remember, we'll shop for the best guaranteed pensions or hybrid pensions and can assist you in all 50 states and are completely independent.
And best of all, there's never a management fee.